Dear student, today we will see uses of dimensional analysis. First use, to check the correctness of the equation. Let us consider the equation of motion. V is equal to, V is the velocity, U is the initial velocity, at. This is first equation of motion according to Newton's laws of motion. The relation between different quantities while writing their dimensions of all terms of both sides to check the dimensionally correctness of the equation. If equation is correct, then it is obeys the principle of homogeneity. Now write down the dimensions of all terms of this equation. Dimensions of velocity: meter per second, L1 t minus 1. These are the dimension of velocity. Now the dimension of initial velocity are also same, L1 t minus 1. Dimension of acceleration into dimension of time. This is velocity, initial velocity, A is the acceleration, t is the time. Acceleration, dimension of acceleration, a meter per second square, L1 t minus 2. Time, dimension of time is t1 only. Okay. Now this equal to as it is plus as it is this term L1 t minus 1 as it is, this term L1 t minus 1 as it is. Combining these two, the dimension of these two are combining. L1 as it is, t minus 2 and t plus 1, it becomes t minus 1. Dimension of this term and this term, all terms have the same dimensions. It shows that the equation is dimensionally correct. Okay? And it obeys the principle of homogeneity. Homo means same, geneity. This is the principle of homogeneity. Second use of dimensional analysis is to establish the relation between establish the relation between physical quantities, any two quantities. Let us consider the period of simple pendulum is t is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. T is the periodic time, 2 pi is constant, L is the length of pendulum, G is acceleration due to gravity. According to law of pendulum, periodic time of pendulum is directly proportional to length of the pendulum, and periodic time is also directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. We are considering it. The power of L is A and power of G is B. Combining these two results, T is directly proportional to L raised to power A and G raised to power B. Now we are this T, L raised to power A and G raised to power B. The relationship is directly proportional to. This proportionality sign is replaced by equal to and constant. T as it is, L raised to power as it is, G raised to power B as it is. Now I am writing the dimensions of this. Time, m0 length dimension of time, equal to k constant के dimension नहीं है, k as it is लिखे. Now the dimension of L is the length, m0 L1 t0. Then this is the dimension of L, dimension of G. Mass is absent 0, G is the acceleration due to gravity. Dimension of acceleration L1 t minus 2. These are the dimension of acceleration. Now we have the power of L is A. I am writing A here. Power of G is B. I am writing B here. Equal to as it is, K as it is. This side we have M सब में एब्सेंट है, M लिखता ही नहीं है. L 0 है, T 1 है. Okay. Now K as it is. Here M सब में एब्सेंट है तो M को नहीं लिखा. L1 T absent, A raised to power A. M absent, L1 T raised to power minus 2 raised to power B. अब इनके पावर्स को writing these powers in another term, T raised to power 1 as it is, L0 T raised to power 1 left hand side as it is, equal to K as it is. L raised to power 1 raised to power A, 1 into A, L raised to power A. ठीक है. L raised to power this B, 1 into B, T raised to power minus 2 into B. Combining this, L0 T1 as it is left hand side equal to K as it is, L raised to power A plus B. Combining both L, powers of both L together, and T raised to power minus 2B. This is. Now compare this power to the left hand side and right hand side. L raised to power this and L raised to power this, T raised to power this and T raised to power this. Therefore L is equal to this L, and this A plus B is equal to 0, and from this minus twice B is equal to 1. These are two relationships. A plus B equal to 0, therefore A is equal to minus B. B को ट्रांसफर किया इधर, minus B, and this minus twice B is equal to 1, therefore B is equal to 1 by 2 minus sign transfer this side. Putting the value of B here, therefore A is equal to minus 1 by 2, value of B minus 1 by 2, minus get plus, A is equal to plus 1 by 2. This is the value of small a, and this value of small a 1 by 2, we will put down this value in this equation. T is equal to, our equation was K into L raised to power A, G raised to power B. This was the equation, starting equation. This equation, T is equal to, therefore T equal to K as it is, L raised to power 1 by 2. ये A की वैल्यू पुट डाउन किया यहाँ पे, G raised to power B, B की वैल्यू minus 1 by 2. Okay, therefore T is equal to K, L raised to power 1 by 2, G raised to power minus वाला अपॉन में लिखे तो प्लस, therefore T is equal to K L by G. This is the equation of period of simple pendulum, where K is equal to 2 pi, this value, therefore T is equal to 2 pi into L by G. This is the method of establishment of relation between physical quantities. Okay, we will stop here.